Welcome to my channel. To be honest, I am not a professional video editor, but I have a lot of experience in Amazon product reviews, which is incredibly helpful in finding exactly the product you want. If you are on the hunt for the best folding lawn chair, you have come to the right place. I have compared the top models to help you make an informed decision. Product number 1. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. Here I go, folks, your number 1 product on the list, and I am beyond excited to share with you the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair, because let me tell you, this thing is a game changer, a total rock star of camping chairs. You know what I mean? It's like a portable, foldable, super comfy rocker that you can take with you anywhere, whether it's to the beach, the campsite, or just your backyard. It's perfect for anyone who loves to relax in style. And the stats don't lie, folks. With an incredible 4.8 out of 5 rating from over 46,192 verified reviews, I'm talking near perfection here, trust me. People take their camping gear seriously, and this chair has clearly won them over. Honestly, I was blown away by the quality and the comfort of this thing. It's like sitting in a cloud that just happens to be a portable rocking chair. The materials are top-notch, the design is sleek, and it's ridiculously easy to set up and take down. So if you're in the market for a new camping chair, or just a great excuse to get outside and enjoy the fresh air, look no further. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair is the way to go, and right now, I've got a link in the description to some active discounts, so be sure to check that out, and let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions or if you've tried this chair out for yourself. Product number 2. Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Camp Chairs. You know, I've been on the hunt for the perfect camping chairs, something that's gonna withstand the great outdoors, and I think I've finally found it, the Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Camp Chairs. These guys have really outdone themselves with these babies. They're folding camp chairs, but not just any folding camp chairs. These have this amazing dual locking mechanism that keeps you secure, even on the most uneven terrain. It's honestly a game changer. And the best part? They're really easy to set up. It literally takes like 5 seconds. I was a bit skeptical at first, but trust me, it's a breeze. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this thing gonna hold me? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. These chairs have a weight capacity of 300 pounds, which is more than enough for most of us, and the reviews don't lie. It's sitting pretty at a whopping 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 19,200 verified reviews. Wow, that's just incredible. I've seen some great products in my time, but this one really stands out. Look, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. This thing is a beast. And if you're in the market for a new camping chair, you owe it to yourself to check this out. The link to this amazing product is in the description, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on the active discounts that are available right now. Don't wait, go grab yours today. Product number 3. Amazon Basics Camping Chair. You know, I just reviewed the Coleman Instant Cabin, and I have to say it's been an absolute game changer for our camping trips. But that's not all I've got lined up for you today, folks, because next up I've got a real MVP, the Amazon Basics Camping Chair. Honestly, can you think of a more straightforward name for a product? It's exactly what it says on the tin, a camping chair. Trust me, this thing is a beast, weighing in at just under 5 pounds and measuring out to be about 32 inches wide. So it's got plenty of room for you and a friend to kick back and enjoy the great outdoors. Look at some of these reviews. Over 17,163 verified buyers have given it a 4.5 out of 5 star rating. Wow, that's incredible. It's clear this thing has won over the hearts of plenty of campers and outdoor enthusiasts, and I've got to say, after using it myself, I'm not surprised one bit. The Amazon Basics camping chair is sturdy, it's comfortable, and it's incredibly easy to set up and fold away. I mean, what more could you ask for in a camping chair? So if you're in the market for a new chair to take on your next adventure, I highly recommend checking out this amazing product. And as always, be sure to check the link in the description for active discounts and deals. Product number 4. SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair. So you know how much I love spending time outdoors, right? And that's why I'm super stoked to be reviewing the SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair today. Honestly, when I first saw this thing, I thought to myself, this is either going to be a total game changer or a total waste of time. But trust me, it's definitely the former. The SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair is literally a portable, ultra-comfortable, and incredibly sturdy chair designed specifically for camping, picnics, or pretty much any outdoor adventure you can think of. And let me tell you, with over 4,624 verified reviews and an insane rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, I'm not the only one who thinks this thing is a total winner. Wow, just looking at all those glowing reviews, I'm getting excited all over again. The SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair is seriously packed with features like adjustable height, a built-in cooler bag, and even a bottle opener. It's like the perfect combination of form and function, you know? I mean, just thinking about how many outdoor memories I'm going to create with this chair is giving me the feels. Trust me, if you're even remotely interested in camping, hiking, or just enjoying the great outdoors, you owe it to yourself to check this thing out. So what are you waiting for? Look, the link to the SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair is in the description below, and I've even got an exclusive discount code for you. So go ahead, give it a try, and happy camping, everyone. Product number 5. VINGLI Patio Lawn Web Folding Chair Set. You know, I've been reviewing some really cool products so far, but I have to say, the next one on our list is going to blow your mind. VINGLI Patio Lawn Web Folding Chair Set. Just imagine having a whole set of super comfortable, easy to set up chairs for your backyard, perfect for those long summer evenings, barbecues, or just lounging in the sun. Honestly, this thing is a game changer, trust me. These chairs are not just any ordinary folding chairs. They're designed specifically for your lawn or patio, with sturdy web frames that can support up to 300 pounds each, so you can have your family and friends over without worrying about breaking a chair. And the best part is, they're super easy to set up, fold, and store away. I mean, just look at the reviews. For 0.6 out of 5 stars from over 4,155 verified reviewers. That's right, folks, this thing is a bestseller for a reason. People just can't get enough of these fantastic chairs, and at an affordable price point to boot. Now, I'm not going to give away all the details, but let's just say, if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor seating, you owe it to yourself to check out the VINGLI Patio Lawn Web Folding Chair Set. And if you do, make sure to check the link in the description for some active discounts that'll make your purchase even sweeter. I hope our breakdown made your buying decision a little easier. Make sure to check the description for the latest prices and discounts. Catch you in the next one.